They have 1 minute of final preparation time. And just a reminder, in the beginner division, next up will be the Clemson University CARA. All right, the University of Davis team has let their robots go. They have 5 minutes to pick as many of the red apples and hold on to them in their basket as possible. The blue apples are diseased apples. They need to leave those on the board and pick them off of the tree, but leave them on the board. And the green apples represent unripe apples. They want to leave those on the tree. So there was one diseased apple that almost fell off, but it's still stuck on the tree. So this team has decided to go with pickers just on one side of their robot. It looks like they've got a couple cameras mounted at the appropriate height, so they're using 2 cameras to monitor the type of apple on a given side of the row. And they've got pickers on that side of the robot, the large hopper that I'm assuming they're using to hold on to the diseased and or ripe apples. So that was a green apple that got knocked off. It's not what they want to do. They want to keep those green apples on the tree. Two minutes and 40 seconds left. So teams are allowed to intervene with their robots and give them a nudge or reposition them anywhere on the board, though that counts against their score. They will lose points for every time they interact with the robot. So they've got 1.5 minutes left, 1.5 minutes. And at the moment, I do not see any apples in their hopper. They haven't held on to any apples. They have knocked some diseased apples off the tree, though. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. There we go. Success. On the plus side, their robots seem to be navigating the course well. It's just the challenge of getting the appropriate apples into the basket that they're struggling with. Got 50 seconds left. 50 seconds. Done? All right, they're done. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Great job, University of California.